AMC first entered the subcompact market in 1970 with its immensely popular Gremlin model, but the 1975 Pacer was a different beast. Advertised as the first wide small car, it had the passenger compartment of a sedan, the nose of a European commuter shuttle, and no back end at all. AMC PACER sold over 70,000 units in 1975 alone. The Pacer was sold as the last word, the face of the car of the 21st century, bragged the ads. However, pundits of the time called it a football on wheels and a big frog. The Pacer had the largest glass area of any contemporary American sedan, making the $425 all-season air conditioning option almost obligatory. There was no doubt that outward vision, though, was quite superb. There was more headroom and legroom than the contemporary Chevelle or Torino, making it feel spacious. The body was almost as wide as it was long, and though opinion was divided on the Pacer's looks, it did garner some hefty praise. Motor Trend magazine called the styling the most innovative of all U.S. small cars. The credit of the design went to Richard Teague, who also penned the 1984 Jeep Cherokee. Surprisingly, the Pacer was never a cheap car. Add a few interior options and air conditioning and you could easily have been presenting the dealer with a check for $5,000. The interior was stock Detroit, with sporty front bucket seats and a cheesy polyurethane dash. Deluxe trim pack included wood effect side and rear panels, which made the Pacer about as tasteful as Liebherr Ace. Originally slated to use urethane bumpers, production Pacers were equipped with steel versions to save money. Unbelievably, the Pacer's rear end inspired the comely rump of the Porsche 928. The Pacer's rack and pinion steering was one of the first on a U.S. car. Stock power was a none too thrifty, 258 SID straight 6 unit. It had a maximum speed of 105 miles per hour, or 169 km per hour. By the end of 1975, AMC had produced 72,158 units of Pacers. Subscribe and follow us for more car awesomeness.